To use Malwarebytes to remove a virus, start by opening the Malwarebytes application on your computer. On the main screen, locate the Scanner section and click on the Scan button. Malwarebytes will begin scanning your system for any potential threats. Once the scan is complete, it will display a list of found threats. Click on Quarantine Items to isolate the detected virus. Quarantining items means that Malwarebytes will securely store these threats in a separate area, preventing them from causing harm while you decide what to do next. You can then choose to delete or restore the quarantined files, but removing them is typically the best option for security. Next, click on Real-Time Protection in the menu. Then select Protection Settings. Here, you'll find various settings for proactive security measures. Ensure all the protection options are checked, as these features actively work in the background to block new threats and prevent infections from recurring. These measures include blocking malicious websites, stopping ransomware, and real-time scanning for any harmful activity.